let's say that you want to cater for scenarios where this age right here might be 1, for example. So if it's between 1 and 3, you want to print, for example, is a toddler. So how do we do that? Well, we have if and then else. So this is the last statement. But also in between, we can have else and then if. Now, this right here behaves the exact same way as, so we need parentheses in here, and this else should go like this. So have a look. So we've introduced this new statement, and now if this is false, we will end up in this block in here. So if this is false, it basically skips down all the way to else. If this is true, that's it. It executes this line and off we go. If it's false, it tries this one. If this is true, then it basically stops this entire if statement and executes this line, otherwise this line. Now here, what I want to say is else if, and I want to say age equals to 1. So if it's equal to 1, I'm going to say south and then toddler and then happy face. But I also want to take this and I'm going to say else if, and inside here I want to say age equals to and then 2. I also want to print is a toddler, and now let me actually be a little bit lazy and copy, and I'm going to say if age is equal to 3, still a toddler. Otherwise, we basically say it's not an adult. And in fact, let's just have another one here. We basically say if the age in here, if it's equal to 0, baby. So I know these are really simple examples, but as we progress in this course, you'll see how all of this comes together. But for now, I'm just showing you how to use the constructs, i.e. the if statement, as well as the else branch. So if I run this, let's have a look what we get. You can see we have toddler. So the age in here is 1. So therefore, we check right. So age, is it equals to 1? Yes. Print toddler, and that's it. So if I change age to 0, for example, run it, we should get baby because of this, right? So this evaluates to true or false. Age equals to 0. So currently it's true. So therefore executes this line. If I change this to 2 in here, run it, it's a toddler. If I change this to 3, it's a toddler. If I change this to 4, we should get is not an adult in here. So we actually haven't catered for this right here, but we will fix this in a second. What is happening is, so it checks age equals to 4. The first thing that we do is we have is adult, i.e. this boolean. Is it true or false? So this is false. Then we check age is equal to 0, no. Equals to 1, no. Equals to 2, no. 3, no. Therefore executes this block of code. And this is how you use the else if statement.